In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop receiving post-push notifications on X, also known as Twitter, in just a few quick steps. If you're getting too many alerts every time someone posts, this will help you clean up your notifications and keep your phone a lot quieter. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X on your device and make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once you're inside the app, look at the left navigation bar. If you don't immediately see the full menu, tap More to open the extra options. From there, tap Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, privacy settings, and notification preferences. Once that menu opens, tap Notifications. This section controls what kind of alerts you receive from the app. Next, tap Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll see different notification types and delivery options. Now tap Push Notifications. This is the area that controls alerts that appear directly on your phone. Once you're in Push Notifications, look for Posts. This setting is responsible for push alerts related to posts on X. To stop receiving them, simply toggle Posts off. As soon as you turn it off, you should no longer get push notifications for posts. That's it. You've now successfully prevented post-push notifications on X, so you can enjoy a quieter notification experience without having to constantly clear alerts through your phone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.